What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we'll just take a look at Fantom here, and as we can see, it's looking very bullish indeed. Looking as though we have finally broken that 161 Fibonacci level there, which has been, holding us back a little bit. Despite, the fact that Fantom has been looking really good in general, hasn't it, on this daily time frame. You can see quite clearly here that it has just been making a series of higher highs and higher lows, basically looking as though it does want to run up and make a new all-time high here pretty damn soon. When you actually look at this chart, it looks super bullish, making our way up through these Fibonacci levels. Obviously, this fib was pulled from that previous all-time high we made all the way back in May 2021. At around, 93, 94 cents. We come down to that swing low at around 15 cents. This is a massive drop of like 80%. And then all of a sudden, obviously Fantom, when it starts getting TVL, it started getting a lot of, projects starting to launch on its ecosystem, basically fleshing out its DeFi. And you can see obviously the effect that it had on the price. The demand for Fantom went through the roof. We came all the way up to that new all-time high of around 194. Came down to retest that previous swing high, all-time high as support, which was obviously really bullish to see. We run all the way up again to the 161 here, but we did find a bit of resistance at around that $3 level. We obviously formed a little bit of a double top here with the bearish divergences. We rolled all the way over with the market. You can see we actually wicked all the way down onto that previous all-time high here, which was actually super interesting, wasn't it? That would basically come back down to that area, get the perfect wick onto the previous all-time high, and then you can see the buy support here is absolutely crazy. We come all the way back up into this area here. We obviously formed the range looking something like this for a little while. And you can see once we started breaking out of the resistance looking something like this, it was pretty obvious that we were going to see a really nice move to the upside for Fantom. Obviously, it's looking super bullish, even in the face of the recent market conditions that we've been seeing. And you can see pretty much perfectly what's happened here. We've got that bump and run pattern with the 3, peaks of resistance here. We roll over, basically have that capitulation event. We consolidate, and then we come back up into the resistance. We break it, back test it as support, in conjunction and confluence with that 141 level there. Come back down, retest as support, looking super bullish, and you can see here we run all the way up to the 161 again, but we get rejected, so we run all the way back down. We actually find support on our 55 EMA here, which is really interesting, showing that we do have a strong bull trend here, where we've come down, found support on the EMAs, and you can see now come back up towards that resistance at the 161 there, and now you can see today having a really nice pump to the upside of around, 11-12%, basically moving to the upside, breaking out of that 161 level now, looking like we are heading towards, potentially a new all-time high daily close for Fantom, which is obviously really good to see. Obviously, we still have these swing high wicks here at around 350, which we could be seeing fairly soon, judging by this candle. But currently at the price of around 327, we are now heading towards those all-time highs for Fantom. So looking really bullish in general. You can see obviously we've made our way up through the fib levels really easily, and it looks as though now, considering the fact that we have this quite a bullish sentiment, bearish sentiment in the market, Fantom is looking really good right now. You can see it's broken out of this local swing high here at around 316, having that nice pump after retesting the 161 as support. And now we're probably expecting Fantom coming up towards those all-time highs there around 350 as probably our next price target. So overall, not much to say about Fantom apart from the fact that it's looking super bullish in our opinion, and it's probably going to see some all-time highs fairly soon. So obviously, if we roll over here, short-term price predictions, we've got the 161 there around 193, 194. Obviously, the big psychological $3 support now has been put in place, which would be a very strong level of support as well. And heading to the upside, we are expecting Fantom to test these all-time highs probably in the next few days at around that 350 level, maybe get rejected here, come back down, retest this swing high here at around 317 before getting the bounce and potentially a new all-time high. So Fantom just looking really strong in general. You can see here we've got that 227 extension, at $10. And we have said that, you know, $10 plus for Fantom in 2022. I mean, it seems incredibly likely considering how good the ecosystem for Fantom is developing. Its TVL is rising all the time. And obviously, in turn, we're seeing the price of Fantom rise as a result of that. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.